Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the error SVG not imported could not find any supported elements in this SVG when using Tinkercad. If you're creating text designs in Photoshop and trying to import them into Tinkercad for 3D printing but getting this error, don't worry, I had the same issue and I'll show you the simple fix that worked for me. So here's what happens. I designed a keychain name in Photoshop and exported it as an SVG. But when I tried to import that SVG file into Tinkercad, I got this error SVG not imported. We could not find any supported elements in this SVG. This happened because Photoshop text is not automatically converted into vector paths. Tinkercad only supports SVG files that have proper path or shape data. Here's how to fix it in Photoshop. Type your text using the text tool. Right click on the text layer in the layers panel and click convert to shape. This will turn your text into a vector shape. Now go to File and Export. And done. Your text design will now successfully appear inside Tinkercad. No more errors.